Three, two, one and a half, Carla. Once again, let's give a big round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Now Parent. Thank you so much. So this time, let's hear a message. You may now please be seated. So as we celebrate this joyous occasion, we also take a moment to hear from someone very special from our bride's life. He has not just been a brother, but a guiding figure, a protector, and a source of love and support throughout the years. He has witnessed Auntie Corazon grow into the wonderful person she is today, and I'm sure he has a few heartfelt words to share with us on this special day. So without further ado, atong i-welcome ang eldest brother sa ato ang bride. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Edwin Ritiza. Ato pakpakan. Muhatag ang message, sir. Hindi ka mag-video-video rin. Isa Edwin Ritiza. Wala siya? Ay, wala. Wala na ito. So this time, mapusid ka sa mga pag-umangkod sa ato ang... Okay, I thought siya si Sir Edwin Ritiza. So sorry. So this time, atong ihatag ni Sir Ramel Ritiza. A big round of applause.
Buong puso mo sabihin.
Maraming salamat.
Tagalog mo lang, huwag kang mag-English. Thank you. Taglish.
Parang
Taglish mo.
to Mr. James McParents, you're welcome to our family. Family Ritiza, family Baco. We are here, almost our relatives here
In front of you.
my tita.
Still.
Yeah. To my sister, congratulations to both. Our family, your brother, all your brother and sister, we are happy for you. Sa wakas, nakatagpo ang tadhana. Narito na ang forever ni Maria Corazon Ritiza. Forever. We hope you will be happy when you're married. You will be happy married couple. Will last forever and ever.
Amen.
Amen. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome, Mr. McParents.
Thank you so much, Sir Ramel Ritiza, for that heartfelt message. Ato pakpakan si Sir. So at this point, we will now hear a few words of wisdom gikan sa mga cousin ni Auntie Corazon. So I am starting with Ma'am Gina Sarinigoy. Ato pakpakan si Ma'am Gina.
Hello, good morning to everyone. Congratulations, James and Inday Corazon. I'm looking forward for a happy life, for a married life. So congrats Inday, nakatagpo na kita sa imong forever, si James. So you're the destiny of Inday. So we're happy to be out. We are happy to welcome you in our family. That's all.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Gina Sarinigo. Next, we have si Auntie Jubilin Malmanis. Auntie Jubilin, where are you? Okay, this time let's proceed to our principal sponsors. We have Mr. and Mrs. Hermie Domicilio. So please give your best wishes sa ato ang groom and bride. A big round of applause.
First of all, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. James McFerrin. James and Inday, thank you very much for being a part of this memorable moment. Then, another chapter of as a married man. Then, James, take care, Inday. You know, Inday is my neighbor. Take care. So once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. James McFerrin.
Thank you, Sir Dimisilio. Once again, a big round of applause. So next, we have Mr. and Mrs. Catalino Balsita. A big round of applause.
Good morning, Mr. James. Same expression as of the rest of our clan, family circle, that we expression of happiness for having you with us now, beginning today, part of our family, and we're so very happy that my first degree cousin is already at peace with you. We hope that for a happy family now and forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Mr. and Mrs. Susan Tupang. A big round of applause. Dapat mag-English to si Ma'am. Dapat taas-taas na. Charlie.
Okay, good morning everyone, especially to our newlywed, James and Inday. Inday is my best friend. Okay, so welcome to the wonderful journey of married life. I wish you a lifetime of love, joy, and partnership. As we know that married life is a beautiful adventure. So it needs unwavering support each other, then understanding, trust. As we know that trust is from the word T is time. No, kay ano ba no? So time is very important kay naday mga gadgets, magbungol madali ang sorry James. So magbungol na umikan sa cellphone, no? Okay, respect. From T is trust T for time, respect. So respect good in every decision. Kinahanglan mag-give give and take. No? Understanding. It's very important. Then, S is, ang married dili lang puro happiness is for sacrifice. No? We need to sacrifice in every decision. Dili lang kay kita ang nakuman. So, sacrifice is very important. And T is tender. Okay, and that's all. Once again, congratulations and God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. This time we have Mr. Zuel Sarinugoy. Nate ko dahil mo. Si Konsihal Joel Sarinugoy.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to congratulate Mr. and Mrs. James McFerrin for this wonderful occasion for both of you. We hope that your marriage now will last forever and make God be the center of your marriage life. And most of all, ang love, hindi magpabilin yun. Because without love, mura o mawala nga itong buwan na sa usa. So, kinahanglan nga, you have to take care of our cousin Inday Corazon, Maria, and also Inday take care of James. And kaysa as what Susan said that marriage is not only happy. There is also an dili tanan kalipay. No, marriage is not all happy. Ay ngana na magina ang kaninyoon natay malipay na po'y kasakit, not all in the marriage life are happy. So make sure that God will be in your marriage life so your marriage will last forever. Thank you and good morning.